Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do a French roll. Okay, y'all, this is not like a tutorial or something I do all the time. This is actually my first time attempting this, and I was so excited that my client brought this to me for me to do. She was going to a church event, and yeah, she wanted to do something cute. So here we are getting into this French roll. So I'm going to start out by pressing her hair. I did shampoo and blow dry her, and we're going to start out with a nice, press. And then we are going to mold this thing into a French roll. So there's a lot of pointers that I'm going to let you know about that I wish, I could change, after the fact. Now the style did come out perfectly fine. I thought it was super cute. But there is some things that I would have done differently. So first, I probably wouldn't have glued so many tracks into form. Well, let's not say that. I think I glued 2 tracks on each side, so I probably would do the same 2 tracks, but I would make the length of the bundle longer. I think we had a 14-inch bundle that we used, and I probably would have used maybe like a 22-inch because she wanted like curls coming out of the French roll. So because she wanted, longer hair at the top, I should have told her to get a longer bundle. So here I am gluing in those tracks. Her hair was very thick. Or is very thick, so I really could have done without using the extra bundles, but because she wanted these pieces hanging out, we did add some tracks. And again, I wish I would have used a longer length because I only used the 14 here, and I probably should have used like a 20 or a 22 considering she wanted to have pieces hanging, like curls hanging. And you'll see how I finessed that, those curls hanging toward the end of the video. Secondly, I probably would have used less braiding hair for the actual stuffing piece inside the roll. Her French roll came out a little bit bigger than I probably would have liked it to be. She liked it, but because her hair was so thick and because the braiding hair that I put on the inside of the French roll was also thick, it just made the roll thick, if you get what I'm saying. So I wish I would have used a little bit less braiding hair, but again, it came out super cute and she liked it, so that really doesn't matter. But next time around, I probably would use a little bit less braiding hair for the filling of the roll, and then I probably would have used a hairnet around it to make it more firm because I felt myself like repositioning that hair a lot with the bobby pins, and I just feel like it would be better or a better mold if I, firmalized that. That's not even a word, but if I firmed up the braiding hair using a hairnet wrapped around it, that would have made a more firm base for the roll. Other than that, I think I did a pretty good job for my first try at this. You can learn something here just watching me, so just stay tuned for the rest of this video. I did use the black can of Eben hold spray. I love that spray. I use it pretty much for a lot of hold styles because it really has extreme hold. So love that. I am using that to mold her hair into place after I flat ironed it, and then we are doing 2 bangs in the front where I added some pieces of track to make her bang pieces a little fuller. So it came out super cute. I used a 14-inch bundle. Again, I would have probably used a 20 or 22-inch. And so when we get toward the end of this video, I had to finesse the hanging pieces because the bundle was so small, because it was short. Because the bundle was so short, I had to finesse the hanging pieces. So I literally cut pieces of track and just pinned it at the top. And y'all, it was secure. Like I'm literally curling these pieces and they're pinned inside of the roll at the top. And you'll see me do that toward the end of this video, but I really had to finesse that. And I had to make it do what it do. So it came out super cute. And yeah, I really want y'all to, just let me know how I did. Let me know how I did down in the comment section. I'm interested to see if you have any suggestions of things that I could have done better. But this is my first go at this, and I was actually very proud of myself. It was actually fun. It's like an art project. I love hair. It's such a creative thing. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and drop them down in the comment box. I'll be sure to get back to you. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday. Videos do drop on this channel every Sunday, normally around noon. But if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see, new hair tutorials every week. If you go into my playlist area, you will see I have everything divided by the type of style. So we have protective styles, extensions, wigs, natural hair coloring, just all kind of good stuff. So there's at this release of this video, there's over 160 videos on this channel. And they are all categorized under the playlist. So if you just want to learn about hair or how to do hair or how to do something, go look at my playlist. Go check that out and make sure you subscribe so you can see, a new video every Sunday. Thank you so much for tuning in. Check back next week for another video. All right, y'all. Peace. I'll see you next week. Peace.